Hello everybody, welcome to Merry Balloons. Today we will see how to make this lovely tree for your tabletop, for which we will need round balloons of any colors. I have taken red and green. You can use any colors of your choice. I am using red and green 5-inch balloons. I have tied it up to duplets and then I am twisting into a cluster of 4. I've already inflated these cluster of 4s and kept it ready. So I have inflated to 4 pumps, then 3 pumps, then 2 pumps and 1 pump. That is 4 strokes, 3 strokes, 2 strokes and 1 stroke. And you can have your own sizes. So these are very simple and easy to make. Now let's tie a water weight. I've double stuffed a balloon and filled water and I've tied an orange color balloon to it. You can tie any string. So now we'll place it in the center and tie it like this in the center. And now let's twist it a couple of times around the balloons and pull tight. Oh, never mind. We will just tie the balloon weight to any of the nozzles of the cluster, and then again we will tie it to the orange color balloon. Make sure we tie tight or else it will come undone. To be on the safer side, tie 2 or 3 or maybe 4 knots also, never mind. Now we need to take the next cluster, that is a 3-stroke cluster, and place it in between the gap of the 2 balloons there. Make sure that you place it well and you have to push it down and then start tying it up. You press down the cluster and then pull that orange balloon and then tie it. You need to stretch it and then tie it. So again the next cluster, the next smallest one, and place it in the middle, push it down and then tie it a couple of times to the second layer, to the third layer, however, but make sure that it is fixed well. Twist it very well. And when you're twisting, make sure you bring it back to the middle or back to the center. The last cluster, we're going to keep it on the top and arrange it accordingly and twist it well. Make sure you place every balloon in between 2 balloons so that you cover the gaps and twist well. That's all. It's very simple. However long or high or wide you want, you can make these clusters, and you can make trees or for centerpieces or pillars. Also the same method has been followed. Okay, see, this is how our tree will look, and because of the water weight, it will not topple down, it will stay firm. It's very simple and easy. Now let's make a star for this, a 4-finger bubble. We need 5 4-finger bubbles. So let's twist well. I'm using a silver color balloon. You can use any color of your choice. Let's twist the 5 bubbles like this and make sure you squeeze well before you twist. Now let's twist the 5 bubbles together like this and tie with the nozzle if you want to. Now let's give a good squeeze and measure approximately 10-finger bubble and twist it to the first bubble like this. Now pass the balloon through the middle like this and bring it upward. Give a good squeeze. Now again a 10-finger bubble. Twist it well and bring it inside and pull it outward. Because of the friction, it will remain there. Now we'll do one more point. So we need 5 points. So let's do that. Now we can deflate the remaining and then tie it up. Make sure you tie well, or else the bubbles will come undone. This is a very simple, easy decoration that you can try it at home. Now we need one more balloon. So let's quickly inflate one more. Now let's attach this balloon. Let's tie it up. Make sure you tie double knots. And now let's twist again a 10-finger bubble. Squeeze well and then you twist. Now let's pass the balloon through the middle like this and bring it upwards at the end of that next bubble. Now one last 10-finger bubble. Yes, that's it. Now we will twist it well, and now we are going to deflate the remaining balloon. But before that, let's do one more time. We'll pass the balloon through the middle and bring it up, and then we will deflate and tie a knot. We did it twice to make sure that it will not come undone. Now let's trim out the excess tail. Be careful while trimming it out. Now let's adjust and flatten all the points, all the bubbles. We'll make sure that it is straight. To do that, just pull the points end like this. Press it and pull it so that you get the shape of the star. That's all. Very simple and easy. Now we're going to stick this on the top. You can use a sellotape or you can have glue dots to stick it. Just stick on that like this. Very simple and easy decor that you can make at home by yourself. I hope you liked this video. Then do not forget to give a thumbs up. And please do share with your friends. If you have still not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and help this channel grow. Try making this simple Christmas tree for this Christmas and add beauty to your decor. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon with some more designs. Till then, keep trying. Merry Christmas and happy twisting!